Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 5 time. First we are going to start with warm up. Color the boxes that have words related to day in yellow. Color the boxes that have words related to night in blue. Now first we are going to take two colors, okay? Blue and yellow. Now lunch. So lunch we have in daytime or in night? So we have lunch in day. So we are going to color this box with yellow color. Second one is owl. Owl comes at night? Yes. So we are going to color this box with blue color. Okay? Like this you have to color. Third one, sun. Sun comes in day or in night? So, sun comes in day. Moon. Moon is related to day or related to night? So, it is related to night. School. We go to school in morning, right? So, we are going to color this box with yellow color. Then number the story in sequence. So, first is C. She gets up early in the morning and then she will have a breakfast. Then she will go to school and for that she is waiting at bus stop. Then she will study in school. In the evening she will play with her friends and at night she will go to bed. Okay? So see, can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this lesson, we are going to learn about clock like minute hand and hour hand. Reading hour hand. Days of the week, months in a year. Come to the next page. My day ahead. A day in Revti's life. Revti wakes up early in the morning. Revti goes to school. Revti comes back from the school in the afternoon. Revti goes out to play in the evening. Revti eats her dinner in the night. Revti sleeps on time. Do you see? Revti does her all activities in a day. A day has morning, afternoon, evening and night. Okay? Day में क्या होता है? Morning, afternoon, evening and night. However, we use time to tell us exactly when an activity takes place, right? So, clock. A clock is used to find the time of the day. So, children, when you are coming to school, when you are going to hospital, when you are going out for anything, so what you do, you look at the clock and then you can say, yes, now I have to go. Okay? It has a face and two hands. Now, can you see this? This is a clock. It has two hands, this hand and this hand. The face of the clock is also known as the dial. Numbers 1 to 11 are written on its face. So this is the face of the clock. Now numbers are written, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These numbers indicate hours and minutes. ओके, ये नंबर से हमें क्या पता चलता है? कितने घंटे हुए हैं, कितने मिनट्स हुए हैं. So this is the clock. The short hand is called the hour hand. Okay. So this is the hour hand. The long is called the minute hand. So this one is the minute hand. Understood? When the minute hand points exactly at 12 and the hour hand exactly puts towards any of the number, it means that the clock is showing an exact hour and no minute. Children see, जब ये minute hand 12 पे होता है और this small hand ये कोई भी नंबर पे होता है तो exactly उतने टाइम हुआ होता है. Like, see, when the minute hand is on 12 and the short hand is on number 3, so it is 3 o'clock. When this arrow, this long minute hand is on 12 and if the short hand is on 8, so it is 8 o'clock. See children, this is the minute hand. Now minute hand is on 12, okay, and short hand is on number 3. So it's 3 o'clock, exactly 3 o'clock. When long hand is on number 12 and short hand is on number 5. So it's 5 o'clock. When long hand, that is minute hand, is on 12 and short hand is on number 9, then it's 9 o'clock. Okay? When minute hand is on 12 and short hand is on number 2, then it's 2 o'clock. When long hand is on 12 and short hand is on 10, then it's 10 o'clock. Okay? जब ये बड़ा वाला मिनट हैंड 12 पे होगा और छोटा हैंड जो नंबर पे होगा उतने बजे होंगे. लाइक लॉन्ग मिनट हैंड is on 12 and short hand is on 11. So it's 11 o'clock. Now children see, this is a clock. Okay. Now we have to show that it's 2 o'clock. So this one is the minute hand. This one is the minute hand. And the short hand will be on 2 o'clock. Now can you see in this? This is the minute hand. This small hand is the hour hand. So बड़ा मिनट हैंड किस पे है 12 पे, छोटा हैंड किस पे है 2 पे. So it's 2 o'clock. Then now we have to show 5 o'clock. So we will shift this arrow here. Okay. So long hand is on 12, short hand is on number 5. So it's 5 o'clock. Now we have to show 8 o'clock. See children, minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 8. So it's 8 o'clock. Understood all of you? When the minute hand points exactly at 12 and the hour hand points towards any of the number, it means that the clock is showing an exact hour and no minute. We call this O clock. O clock means off the clock. Okay. In the clock shown here, the hour hand points exactly at 3 and the minute hand points toward 12. The time in the clock is 3 o'clock. Okay. O'clock means off the clock. We can also write it as 3 o'clock. Okay, so there are dash hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day? So there are 24 hours. So we can write it as 3 o'clock. Okay, now o'clock means of the clock. In the clock shown here, the hour hand points exactly at 3 and the minute hand points towards 12. Now there are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day? So there are 24 hours. Now my practice time 1. Look at the clock and tell the time one has been done for you. Children, see. The first one is 6 o'clock. Okay. Here the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 6. So it's 6 o'clock. Okay. It's 6 o'clock. Now B. The minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on number 2. So it's 2 o'clock, right? So 2 o'clock. So here we'll write 2 o'clock. C. The minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand number 9. So it's 9 o'clock. D. The minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on number 1. Okay. So it's 1 o'clock. Similarly, you can do E and F. Come to the next page. Okay. Now, question 2. Draw hands of the clock to show the given time. One has been done for you. A. 4 o'clock. So, the minute hand will go on number 12 and the hour hand will go on number 4. Okay. So, it's 4 o'clock. Now B. 8 o'clock. So, the minute hand will be on 12 and the hour hand will be on number 8. So, it's 8 o'clock. So, what we'll do? We'll draw minute hand, that is a long hand, and short hand, that is a hour hand, like this. Okay. See, like this we have done. Then C. 5 o'clock. So what we'll do? Minute hand will be on number 12 and hour hand will be on number 5. 5 o'clock. Okay. Understood, children? Now next, D. 10 o'clock. So minute hand will be on 12 and hour hand will be on number 10. So now it's 10 o'clock. Now it's 10 o'clock. Okay, children. So similarly you can do E and F. Now days of the week. I am not feeling well today. The doctor has advised me to rest for the day. Don't worry, Marjit. Tomorrow is Sunday. You can rest as much as you want. How did Manjit's mother know that tomorrow is Sunday? This is because each day has a name. The names of the days in a proper sequence are given below. Monday, Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now there are 7 days in a week. एक हफ्ते में कितने दिन होते हैं? 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Okay. So note that there are only 7 days. These 7 days from Monday to Sunday together make a week. Monday से लेके Sunday तक 7 दिन होते हैं और उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Week. Now months in a year. When will our summer holidays start, teacher? When will our summer holidays start, teacher? In the month of May, Fabian. There are 12 months in a year. एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? 12. And how many days are there? 365 days. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January is the first month and December is the last month. January is the first month. December is the last month. Now complete the sequence. My practice time 2. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now months in a year: January, February, March. And children, you know all the days of the week, all the months of the year, you should start with capital letter. Okay? Then what comes after March? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Fill in the blanks. There are dash day in a week. How many days are there in a week? So there are 7 days. There are dash months in a year. How many months are there in a year? So there are 12 months in a year. See, the first month of the year is January. The month just come after October. What comes after October? See, October, then November. So children, what we have learned in this lesson? We have learned time, then clock. Now see, 2 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So the minute hand will go on 12 and the short hand will go on any number. So the clock will show exact that time. Like if the minute clock is on 12 and the short hour hand is on 7, then it's 7 o'clock. If the minute hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 2, then it's 2 o'clock. So we have learned about minute hand, hour hand, days. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Okay children, so we have finished our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children. See you soon.